So in this video, we're going to be talking about finding the missing endpoint with the given midpoint. So let's read the question. The midpoint of AB is M 5, 5. If the coordinates of A are 7, 8, what are the coordinates of B? So since we're missing B coordinates, we're going to name B as X, Y because they're missing and we don't know what they are. X value, I'm calling it X. Y value, I'm calling it Y. Then we're going to talk about what the midpoint formula is. Midpoint formula is adding up the two x's divided by 2 and adding up the two y's value and divided by 2. So basically x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. They could be positive value, negative value. We're just going to add them the way they are given to us. So in this problem, we have b as x, y because we don't know that information and we're looking for that. A is 7, 8, which is already given, and midpoint is 5, 5. So let's apply the formula. X1, so I'm going to start from the top and consider that one as my first order point. And then this is my second one. So x plus 7 divided by 2. I'm going to keep it as an order pair. And then for the y, I'm going to say y plus 8 divided by 2. So taking the first one first and then second one second. Okay. Once you have that, we already know the midpoint, so we're going to set this equal to 5, 5. Now, this will align with the x value. So let me get that highlight going. So I'm going to just match that position with the first position, and this I'm going to match it with the y position. So it's going to look like x plus 7 divided by 2 equals to 5. That's my first equation. I can solve for x. This is my second equation. Y plus 8 divided by 2 equals to 5. Once you have this, sometimes you can turn them into fractions and cross multiply. If you like to see it that way, I'll show you both ways. You can just do cross multiplication like that, or if you don't like that method, you can just leave it as 5 and just multiply the 2 over. So it's up to you, however it's easy for you to see. I'm going to keep it like that for now and just multiply the 2 over. Okay. 2 and 2 goes away from that side. X plus 7 equals to 5 times 2 is 10. Minus the 7 over. X equals to 3. Okay. Now, do the same procedure on this other one. So I'm going to times it by 2 on that one as well. Y plus 8 equals to 10. Subtract the 8 over. Y will equal to 2. Now, that is my order pair for B that I was looking for. Coordinates of B will be 3, 2. Now, how do I know that this is correct? Well, we can always reapply the formula the same way without knowing the midpoint. So that would be, let's suppose A was 7, 8 and B is 3, 2. Let's see if we're going to get the midpoint back. We add up the 2x value divided by 2 and we add up the 2y value and divided by 2. So let's check it. 7 plus 3 divided by 2 and 8 plus 2 divided by 2. 7 plus 3 is 10 divided by 2 is 5, so that one definitely worked. 8 plus 2 is 10 divided by 2 is also 5, so that did give us the midpoint that we started off with. So this will be our answer.